Alright, so Ashley just went to this website on the internet called PhoneZoo, and yeah, this is her phone. Yeah, it's all,
It's an LG Xenon touchscreen and
yeah,
keyboard.
it's all girly girl. Thing, yeah. But she went to this to the website called www.phonezoo.com, and she got this really cool ringtone. It's the Doom song off from it's Gir off of Invader Zim. So she wanted me to play it for y'all.
Sing the Doom song now.
So yeah, that's Ashley's ringtone for her phone. She's got some more, I think. I don't know if she does or doesn't.
Not for mom.
I'm not 100% sure.
Uber Gir!
But
Oh
yeah.
my god, they've got Uber Gir!
She is like so obsessed with this Uber word for some odd reason. Like one of our videos is named Uber to Retards, and like it's just completely crazy. But you gotta love Ashley. She's like so cool. So but yeah, we just uploaded one of our really long videos. It's called Brad and Ash 2, as like random different shit in that one too. So oh, what are you doing, Ash? So me and Ash is just gonna chill out for the night. Here it is, like 12:07, and we're just I don't know. The kids are asleep.
Yeah.
Like rah. So they're asleep, and oh, I have to show a cat.
It's a perfect picture!
This is Jasper.
He's my
Jasper,
kitty.
say hey to the fellow YouTube mate.
Yeah.
This is a Uber to Retard kitty cat, okay?
I'm a kitty.
His name is Jasper off of Twilight. So, yeah, we just do random shit. And look.
It's Uber Gir. And my
It's-
lollipop laptop.
It's Uber Gir,
Gir.
Gir, and her little tiny laptop. Look how small it is.
Lollipop laptop.
It's a lollipop laptop, you know? Like you see on the Dell commercial. Yeah, it's one of those. So it's really tiny. So there's more Gir. So hope you like it. Well, let's see y'all in a little bit. Bye.